Hi guys. Today we are going to see how to import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. So now let's see how we import these reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify. All of these customer reviews are imported from Aliexpress to Shopify, complete with images. Now go to the Shopify App Store. Here we find Product Review Import App. Here, you'll need to search for the Judge.me app. Just type Judge in the search bar and you'll find the app listed below. Here, you'll find two Judge.me apps available. It's essential to install both of them. You can see the user of this app. First, we install Judge Me Product Review app and enable this app on store. After enabling the Judge Me Product Review app, we'll then proceed to install the second app, Judge Me Aliexpress Review. Now install this first app. Now install again and integrate this app. Now follow these steps. Click on Enable and enable this app on store. Check the enable is on, then save it. Now return to the Customize page and proceed by clicking on Next. The process of installing the review widget is same to enabling the app on your store. You may choose to skip this step, but for assurance, you can always reinstall it if needed. Return to the customization page and proceed by clicking on the next step. Now install the star ratings. Click on it. Star rating is installed. Now go back to the Customize page. Click on Finish. This app is now fully integrated. Go to the product page and refresh this page. You'll notice that the customer review stars have been successfully added to the product page. Now go to the Shopify App Store and install the Judge.me Aliexpress Review app. With this app, you can import all reviews from Aliexpress to your product page with just a single click. Simple, click on Next. Click on Import Review from Aliexpress. Here paste Aliexpress product page URL and name of the product. I would like to add reviews to this product. Go to Aliexpress and copy the URL of a same product which have excellent reviews and ratings. Paste the URL. Now paste the name of the product. You can see product successfully find. Now adjust all other settings according to your preferences. Simple, click on Import. Your review importing is done. Go to the product page and simply refresh the page. Now you can observe that all the reviews, along with their images, have been successfully imported. This is truly amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.